In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the font bigger than the maximum size allowed by Tableau, all in just 5 minutes. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open the Tableau Public app. If you don't already have it installed, go ahead and do so. Tableau Public is an amazing tool for creating interactive visuals, but sometimes its default settings like maximum font size can be a bit limiting. That's where this clever workaround comes in. Once you've got the app open, navigate to your worksheet. This is where we'll be making our changes. Now let's create something called a calculated field. A calculated field allows you to customize your data and in this case helps us bypass the font size limit. Click on Analysis in the top menu and select Create Calculated Field. Give it a name that's meaningful to you and type in the text you want to display. Once you're satisfied, hit OK to save your work. Next, we'll need to create another calculated field. This one we're going to name blank. For the query, simply set it to blank and click OK to create it. This may seem a little odd, but it's a vital step in our process. Now take this blank calculated field and drag it to the text shelf on your Tableau worksheet. It's important to set it up this way to lay the groundwork for the next steps. After you've added the blank field, take your original calculated field, the one with the text you want to display, and also drag it to the text shelf. By layering these fields, Tableau will give us the flexibility to adjust the size beyond its typical constraints. You're almost there, so hang on. Now, let's add some size dynamics to your text. Drag any field you have in your dataset over to the size shelf. This doesn't need to be a specific measure, just something that gives our text element some dimensionality. Finally, change your mark type to text. This is kind of the magic touch where everything comes together. Changing the mark type to text aligns everything just right and lets us see the enlarged font as we intended. And that's it. By following these steps, you've bypassed the default font size limits in Tableau. You've leveraged calculated fields and field dragging to create a larger than allowed text display on your visualization. This technique is a great example of thinking outside the box to make your data presentations as impactful as possible. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing with your newly expanded text capabilities.